My love?
Hurry up, hurry up.
Honey?
It's done.
Andre, what are you doing?
How are you, neighbor? I just came to help your wife because the light bulb didn't work, but it's fixed now. It's done.
Yes, my love. I thought you'd be late today, so I asked the neighbor for help.
Yes. I understand. Thanks for helping her, Andre. But you can leave now.
Sure, anything you need. But why don't you try on the switch to see if it's working? Yeah,
You see, love?
it's working.
It's all ready now.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to help you. Anything you need. Yeah, I'll just take my leave.
I'll walk you to the door.
Excuse me.
I'll be right back, my love. Oh, that was so close.
Lucky nothing happened.
I'll wait for you tomorrow. I'll tell you when he leaves, okay?
I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
This dress would look so great on me. To see Andre. Oh, he would love it too. Okay, I'll tell him to buy it for me.
Hi.
Oh, hi. You're finally leaving? It's about time, huh? But first, come sit down. I want to show you something.
Yes. Tell me. What's up?
It's just that I saw this dress online and it would look amazing on me. Please buy it.
My love, it's not a good time for shopping.
It's just that it's never a good time. Don't you notice that you never buy me anything?
My love, I'm sorry. I'm not feeling good lately, and I don't have a lot of clients.
Do you know why you don't have any clients? Because you're in this house all day instead of going to work. You should be working instead of complaining.
But honey, that doesn't depend on me. Besides, there are a lot of stuff that...
Just stop. I'm tired of you. You don't know how to treat me. I cursed the day I married you, Eric. You're a useless man.
But honey... I think she may be right. I better go to work.
Did your stupid husband leave?
Ugh, and besides, an idiot, he's so cheap.
You know I'm not like that, right? Tell me, what are you craving?
Right now? To get inside.
Eric, hey, how are you? My brother, what's up? Did you fix what I ordered you?
What? Did you order me something?
Again, Eric? What's wrong? It's been 3 days, the same thing. You are very distracted.
I'm sorry, brother. It's just that I have a lot of things in my mind, you know?
Okay, but that's not normal. Are you okay?
The truth is that I'm not in the mood to do anything.
You should take a break, you know?
I thought about it, but I've already lost so many clients, and to leave this one, where would I get my money to survive?
Well, but your wife, can't she work? At least until you feel better?
Nah, I don't think she would like that idea. No.
That she won't like it? She should be helping you, man. Since you got married, the only one who brings money to the house is you for years now.
Yes, but there is nothing I can do. We live like this, and it's my responsibility. I'm the head of the house, bro.
Well, so you should leave her, man. You know she's no good for you. You know Dad never liked that damn woman. You know she's a bad person.
No, Rashid loves me.
She loves you. She wants the money we used to have. You don't see it. Look at yourself. You think I like to see you like this? You should go to see a doctor.
Yes. Thank you for your words. I'll make an appointment tomorrow.
You know I'm here to support you, right? I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Oh, my love. I'm so happy. You always give me everything I want. Thank you.
That's what I'm here for. I'll always give you what you want.
I can't wait to get rid of Eric so we can be together forever.
Oh, my love, me too, but are you sure he's not suspecting?
No, he is incapable of thinking that way about me. But you know, if he does, I don't really care.
Okay, my love, but I don't know. I'm jealous that you're still with him.
You don't have to, my love. We have zero intimacy. He does his thing, I do mine. He's working like a donkey. I just want to be with you.
I'm glad to hear that. You know I love you, right?
And I love you, my love.
Hi.
Hi. How was work?
Let me tell you, I didn't go. I want us to talk about something important.
What? Why didn't you go? Where were you?
I already told you that I wasn't feeling well. The other day I talked to my brother.
Your stupid brother. Always getting in our business. Why do you listen to him? You'll get better.
Can you let me finish, please? He told me to go to the doctor and that's what I did. And the results weren't good.
What? What did they tell you?
I have a degenerative disease, and there's no cure. But the symptoms can be relieved with blood transfusions.
What? But you'll be able to work, right?
They recommended I should rest for a while. That's why I wanted to talk to you. Look, I wanted to ask you if you could work, just for a short period of time, until I get better and not relapse into a paralysis.
Paralysis? You're going to be paralyzed?
It's just a possibility, but I don't think so. Besides, there's a lot of information about it. There shouldn't be a problem.
Do you think I care about that? Look at me. Look at me. I'm still young and pretty. I don't plan to work and take care of a paralyzed person.
What are you saying? I'm just asking you for help, and this will be just a short time.
Stop it! I don't plan to become a nurse of a paralyzed person. If you can take care of this house and me, this farce of a marriage has come to an end. And you know what? I feel relieved. I'm sorry about your disease, but I have a lot to live for.
But Jessica, please. Is this because you have someone else?
Obviously, you finally see it, idiot.
But why? Why are you doing this to me? I gave you everything.
The neighbor gave me everything, and you don't know how. Good luck with your disease. The divorce suit awaits you. My love. Yes, I miss you too. Could we meet up in half an hour? Make an effort, it's important. Perfect. In the park as always. Okay, my love. Kisses. I always win. From now on, life will be so much better.
Hey, love.
Hi.
How you doing? What's with the suitcase? Where are you going?
Where are we going?
What, my love? I don't understand. Why did you bring it?
Because you and me are going on our honeymoon. Together, the both of us. And this has just begun.
What? But where? How? I don't get it.
Well, I finally left that stupid Eric. And he has a disease, so it's the best chance to leave him. And be with the true love of my life.
What? But I don't get it. Where are you gonna live?
What do you mean, where? Obviously with you.
No.
But that's what we planned.
No, Jessica. You just can't live with me. I already have my life made. It's impossible.
But what are you talking about? What? Why don't you want to make a life with me? You love me.
Look, Jessica. Look, we really had a lot of fun, you know? But nothing more. You by your side and I'll go to mine. Besides, you are the one who's cheating your husband. You really think I'm stupid enough to think that things will be different with me?
Don't you trust me?
Come on, Jessica. I know your game, okay? Don't play a fool.
But with us is different. I swear, besides you love me.
No, I can't risk everything to be with someone like you. Look, I wish you good luck with everything that you're doing, but what you and me had ends here, okay? I'm out.
Oh, no, this can't be happening. This can't be happening to me. Oh, you stupid idiot, you damn Andre. Now Eric won't want me back. Oh, I'm such a fool. Such a fool. I'm so stupid. What do I do?
Here you go, bro. You'll feel better.
Thank you. Thank you for everything that you're doing for me.
Don't worry. Everything will be alright. That woman wasn't good for you. We told you.
Yes. And this disease made me realize that. Dad was right. And to think that I fought with him just to defend her. Now I realize what kind of person she is.
Yes, but don't worry. Everything will be alright.
You know what? What worries me the most is how I'm going to pay the hospital expenses. That's what is really scaring me.
Well, I think I know how. You know what Dad's last wish was before he passed away?
No. The only thing I know was that he disinherited me because of the problems we had because of her.
Yes, but Dad didn't disown you. He left what belongs to you.
What?
Your inheritance. Yes, it's true. There was a clause that said that you couldn't touch your inheritance while you were with that woman. Because Dad didn't love that woman. But when you left her, the clause said that you could claim the inheritance. Because Dad knew that woman wasn't good for you.
Thanks, Dad.
Everything will be alright. You'll see, and I'm here to support you and my family too. And it's best to get those blood transfusions, so this disease doesn't get worse.
Yes, brother. Thank you. I don't know what I'd do without you, without your help, without your family.
Hello, I'm back.
And what do you think you're doing here, woman?
But who does he think he is? This is also my house, and I'm going to my bedroom.
No. This is not your house. This is my dad's house. Because you didn't put a single penny on it.
Oh, my love, don't be so resentful.
But how cynical you are. Get out of my house.
My love, but where will I go? I have nothing.
I don't know. You should have thought about that before cheating. What? The neighbor left you already, right? Ah, I guess he realized the kind of person that you are.
No, I left him.
You heard my brother. Leave this house. He's not alone, he's with me. If you don't want me to call the police, it's best if you give me those keys.
Don't touch me!
Get out of here.
But please, Jessica, have some dignity. And leave. Leave now. I don't want to see you ever again. Unless it is to sign the divorce papers. Leave.
I hate you.
Don't worry,
Thank you.
everything is fine. The true strength of a man is revealed in his ability to realize where he is not being valued, where it is necessary for him to let go and move on. Because true love cannot be reduced to fewer interests, but it is nourished by sincerity and authentic commitment day by day.